Are bad entries and typos constantly breaking your Excel spreadsheets? In the next 60 seconds, I will show you how to use data validation to force Excel to only accept. Every day, people manually type values into spreadsheets and accidentally enter wrong dates, negative numbers, or total nonsense into fields that should be tightly controlled. First, select the cell or range where you want to control input. In this example, we are selecting the quantity column. Then head up to the Data tab on the ribbon and click the Data Validation button in the data. Inside the Data Validation dialog, set Allow to whole number, then set the minimum to 1 and the maximum to 9999. This means Excel will only accept positive. Now, when someone tries to type a negative number or random text into the quantity column, Excel immediately blocks it and shows your custom error message. The bad data. You just learned how to use Excel data validation to block bad input and keep your spreadsheets clean and accurate automatically.